Could you a little bit talk about the differences between Silk and other privacy preserving stablecoins? And what is exactly a privacy preserving stablecoin for somebody out there? And how does exactly Silk work in this case?
Absolutely. So Silk is privacy preserving for transactions. So you can send it from A to B and you're going to have that metadata obfuscated versus if you have something like DAI or Frax or USDC, when you make a transaction, all that information is totally publicly transparent. So that's the starting point. Silk is private. Silk is also stable, right? A lot of stable coins, like other privacy preserving tokens like Zcash and Monero, they fluctuate in value. People are very speculative on them. They do not have the economic levers designed to keep them at a target price, like a stablecoin. And so we believe that you need more than just privacy. You need stability. You need to have something that can function as a medium of exchange that's stable and not subject to all the volatility of crypto. And so that's the goal of Silk, to be used in everyday commerce and to be private. Now, the really interesting thing with Silk is what it's pegged to. Everyone keeps pegging things to the dollar over and over and over again. And how can you claim that we're building a decentralized future if our decentralized stablecoins are pegged to a centralized monetary system, right? And so this is the final attribute of Silk that makes it unbelievably fascinating and differentiated. Silk is pegged to a basket of global currencies and commodities. So we have all these different currencies selected. We also have gold and Bitcoin included. There's a weight tied to each one of them. And when you summate across them, you then have this target peg that's slowly moving over time. And all the stability mechanisms are tracking that basket. And the net result is that if you hold Silk, you are essentially in a perpetual hedge against global volatility and inflation. It's the equivalent of like holding an index fund in stocks, but this is the currency version. And so we believe that Silk will be an interoperability hub between global currencies. It'll be used everywhere in commerce, and it will have that privacy and performance.